Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to all the students of grade 1. I hope you all are fine and in good health. This is your science class. Today we have our lecture number 6 on GC. The date is 28th May 2021 and the day is Friday. So first of all we'll discuss our today's work. We are doing unit 1 ourselves. Today's work is textbook page 14 is our classwork. Textbook page 15 is also our classwork. Workbook page 19 is your RA. So first of all we'll discuss page number 14. All of you open your page number 14 of textbook. So class, this is our first page of today. Write date and day on page number 14 of your science textbook. 28th May 2021 classwork, and the day is Friday. Friday day. Write very neat date and day on this page. Now read it. What we have learned about ourselves. Yes class. Memorize that what we have learned so far in this unit about ourselves. Same but different. Yes, at the very start of this unit we have discussed that how we are same and how we are different from each other. Circle the answer that is true for you. There are some questions they are asking you. You have to circle the correct answer. If it is yes, you have to circle yes, and if it is no for you, then you have to circle no. On my page, the no is not visible, but you have no written on your page. Number 1. Do you like your brothers? Do you look like your brothers or sisters? Yes, class. How many of you look like your brothers or sisters? I think mostly of you look like your brothers or sister because they are your siblings, and it's 99% there is a possibility that you look like your brothers or sisters. So you have to circle the correct option, yes or no. Number 2. Do you look like your friends in the class? Yes class. Do you look like your friends in the class? There is not much possibility in this statement, but if you think that you look like your friends, then you can circle yes, and if you don't, then you will circle no. Number 3. Who do you look most like? There are 3 options. You have to think in mind that do you look like your friend, or do you look like your brother, or do you look like your sister? My friend, my brother, my sister. They have given you the 3 options. As I have circled my sister, so in this white box I will write I look like my sister. But if you look like your brother, you will write I look like my brother. And if you look like your friend, you think, then you will write I look like my friend. So write the correct answer in this white box. So write here whatever you want to write. I look like my brother, or I look like my friend, or you can write I look like none of them. Whatever would be your answer, you can write it here. I understand that we are all different but have some things which are the same. Yes class, do you know that thing? We have discussed this thing many times. I understand that we are all different but have some things which are the same. Have you? Do you know that? How you are same and how you are different from each other? How we are same, as we have same number of parts of the body, but the size, the shape, the color of our everything is different from the other person. That the most common thing that how we are same is that we all are human beings. can tick this circle because you all know that thing. Then our body, fill in the correct words. Now here you have some blanks. The first letter of the blank is given to you and also the pictures are given to you. This is very easy. You can do it quickly by yourself also. Yes class, say with me. My fingers are connected to my, yes class, my fingers are connected to my arm. No, hand. H is given. You have to complete the spellings. H-A-N-D. Hand. My fingers are connected to my hand. Right hand in the first blank. H-A-N-D. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Number 2. My hand is connected to my, yes class, your hand is connected to your arm. A-R-M. Arm. My hand is connected to my arm. A-R-M. Arm. Right arm in the second blank. A is already written. You just have to write R-M. Arm. Third, my arm is connected to my, yes, your arm is connected to your shoulder. Yes, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. My arm is connected to my shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. S is written. You just have to start from H. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Number 4. My toes are connected to my foot. My toes are connected to my foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. What you have to write here? F-O-O-T. Foot. Do these blanks with me. My foot is connected to my, yes, my foot is connected to my leg. L-E-G. Leg. L is given. You just have to write E and G. L-E-G. Leg. My foot is connected to my leg. The last one. My leg bends at my, yes class, my leg bends at my knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. So do this page neatly, nicely, and then move towards the next page, page number 14. Oh, sorry class, page number 15. Also write today's date and day on textbook page number 15. 28th May 2021 classwork, and the day is Friday. F-R-I, Friday, D-A-Y, day. And this is your textbook page number 15. Write very neat date and day on this page also. Now you have a World Bank at the top. Read this World Bank with me. In this World Bank, they have given you the names of parts of the body, some names. Number 1, H-A-N-D. Which word is this? Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Next, F-O-O-T. F-O-O-T. Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. It's easy for you if you try to read them with the sounds, so you can read them easily. Arm. A-R-M. Arm. Next, L-E-G. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Next is shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Then neem, K-N-E-E, neem. These are all the words which are used in page number 14. Fill in the blanks. Now read the next statement under the World Bank. I can name 6 parts of the body. Yes, class. Can you name 6 parts of the body? Yeah, I know you can name more than 6 parts of the body. Almost you know all the parts of the body. So you can take this circle easily. Next, the 5 senses. Answer the questions. Choose from the senses in the World Bank. Which 2 senses do you use most to find your way to school? Yes, class, when you are going to school, which 2 senses you use the most? First of all, try to think in your mind that if you are going to school by car or you are going to school by walking, so which 2 senses you have to use? Yes, number 1, seeing and hearing. You have to see right and left that there should be no car coming if you are crossing the road, and you have to be very aware about the sounds which are coming, so your sense of hearing should be alert whenever you are going to school. And if you're going in the car, same, you have to see in front or back that if there any car is coming, and you have to hear the sounds of the other cars if they are giving horn or something. So these 2 senses are very important to use whenever you are going to school. Number 2, which 3 senses tell you that food is bad and not safe to eat? Yes. Which 2 senses we use when we think that the food is bad or is not safe to eat? First of all, it's incorrect. You have to write seeing here, as I have corrected it here. In the first blank it comes seeing. Yes, first of all, when you look at the food, you come to know that it is not good to eat if it is not looking fresh by seeing it. So you come to know that that food is not safe to eat or it is expired. Next is smell. Yes, if the food is not fresh, it does not smell good. S-M-E-L-L, smell. And next is taste. T-A-S-T-E, taste. And if the food is not looking that much bad by looking at it, so when you taste it and its taste is not good, so you come to know that this food is bad, it is not safe to eat or it is expired. So which 3 senses tell you that food is bad and not safe to eat? Seeing, smell and taste. To these blanks, there is also World Bank given at the end. At the last, there is a statement, I can name all the 5 senses. Yes, class, can you name all the 5 senses? What are those? Yes, class, tell me. Sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell, sense of taste, and sense of touch. Yes, you can name all the 5 senses. So also tick in this circle. So class, this is the last page of today and this is your RA page. I am discussing this page with you. You have to do this page by your own. This is very interesting, very easy, and this is the page number 19 of your workbook. Also write today's date and day on this page. What do you have to do on this page? Home activity. Ask an adult to help you to answer the questions. You can take the help of any of the adult in your house. Write 3 things that are the same for you and this adult and 3 things that are different. Yes, by this activity you come to know that how you are same to that person or how you are different from that person. So you here in the first one you have to write the 3 things which are same between you two, and in the next box you have to write the 3 things which you have different from that person. Number 2, write 6 parts of your body and point to them. Yes, you have to write Write any 6 parts of your body, and when you are writing the names of those parts of the body, you also have to point towards them by your hand. List the 5 senses and the part of the body we use for each sense. One example is done for you. Yes, in the last box you have to name the 5 senses and which part of the body we use for those senses. As hearing we do by the ears. Then you have to write the next sense name. As seeing, how do we see? With the eyes. Which body part we use for seeing? The answer is eyes. Then touch, how do we touch? The answer is hand. How do we taste? The next sense, tasting, we do the tasting by tongue. And the last, smell, how do we smell? We smell with the help of our nose. So do this page and show me this page in the WhatsApp group. I will check it. Okay class, so this was all for today. Take very good care of yourself and do your work on time. Have a nice weekend. See you after the weekend. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.